In this video, we will show you how to reset the oil life monitor on this Toyota Camry. We'll be doing this from inside the passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. This is going to be fairly simple. The area that we're paying attention to is right along our gauge cluster. We want to pay attention where the mileage is right across the center. What we need to do is get this into trip A. To do that, we'll make our way over towards the passenger side of the gauge cluster. We'll press on this trip button once. Once you're in trip A, the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn the key power off. With key power off, now we're going to hold onto that trip button. While holding that down, let's go ahead and put the key back in the on position again without the vehicle running. Now we can see some dashes. They're doing a countdown. Now at this point, your oil light has been reset. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.